Hello, hi and welcome to the Westomatic showroom. I'd like to introduce you to our latest addition to the range, which is the Elevate, a glass fronted bottle machine, German built, very sturdy probably being an understatement. It has two different options. This is the Quartz option, which is the keypad. We also have the diamond version, which is a media screen. There are many features and functions of this machine, really very exciting. So I am told 600ml bottles causes some issues on our competitors' machines. I've put 600ml bottles in here next to some fruit shoots. I've got thin cans, I've got thick cans, and I've also got glass bottles. The beauty of this machine is all shelves are horizontal, so they're not slanting forward. You can put a 600ml bottle at the top, the same as you could put a glass bottle wherever you want to on this machine. You have total flexibility of what you're trying to achieve. I'm going to bend a bottle here. I'll try a 600ml bottle just because I know it causes an issue. Otherwise, I've made my selection. You can see that it glides through. I haven't got the clunky jolt that you have from other machines. And there's my 600ml bottle. I will just try, because I've mentioned it, a little fruit shoot bottle. Hospitals, it's nice to have a variety of drinks. So I'm going to do this one, just to take that one as well. Now the difference between the Elevate, Diamond and Quartz is the media version, which unfortunately I haven't got one here because we sold it yesterday. The media version has some additional features that means that I could do some multiple purchases with one credit card transaction. So if I'm in a hospital and I want to do something for my child, a bottle of water and maybe some energy drinks, then I can do all of that in one transaction. The other benefit of the media version is obviously I've got this digital display that I can put my allergens and all my information on here. From an operating point of view, the benefit of this machine really is in operating it. As I've previously said, all the trays are horizontal. They don't lift, they don't slide forward, but look at this. I fill from the back. So I can put my bottles in here. So my coldest bottles are always at the front. From a stock rotation point of view, I'm always making sure that I'm fully rotating my stock. I have a variety of bottles which I don't need any shims at all. So if I've run out of this particular bottle in my van, then I can put something else in as long as it's the same price. It really doesn't matter. It's not an engineering function to change that. These sliders, if you can see, just go forward. So I would fill my bottles up, I push these sliders forward, and that's the conveyor that pulls it forward. It's not a copper coil like our competitor's machine. It literally just works on a conveyor, and then it has a homing device for the arm here. So I'm not loading from the front, so from a weight point of view, I can just put it here. All the shelves split up into three. The other function that the media version, the Diamond, has is where I've got a whole row of green cola in this case. Because I don't want empty shelves, if somebody selects a 13 but there is lots more in 16, it'll actually take from the 16 so that it's always leaving something from a front-facing point of view. I will just show you the top shelf. And even vertically challenged, I have got my heels on today, but at 5'5", I'm perfectly capable of filling the top shelf all on my own. Put that there. That is just some of the key features of our latest edition. If you want any more information, please don't hesitate to either look at our award-winning website, www.westomatic.com, or give the office a call, 01626 323 100, or call any of the sales team direct. We are here with our order pads ready to take your orders. Thank you.